Welcome back, everyone. Okay, one other thing I should mention is that I'm on a Mac. Now, you can actually do this on Mac and PC because HTML can be read by a browser, and the browser, if it runs on the Mac or the PC or wherever, will run the code instead of an actual Mac or PC running the code. Now, one thing that I've done here is that I have made the text bigger, as you can see. And how do you do that? Well, if you're on an Apple, all you have to do is push the command button and go plus and minus. And if you're on a PC, all you have to do is push control. Okay? So as you can see here, we have some HTML code here. And the cool part about this is that you can see on the top here, the HTML is in the code, and on the bottom basically is the output. So let's just take a look and actually delete all of this. Okay, so if I go ahead and I highlight everything and I delete it, you can see that the code completely disappears. Now you can also see that if I just type in some code or some letters, it ends up appearing. And this is what HTML does. If basically if you type in something, it ends up on the screen. So basically that is what the HTML editor does. So the first thing that we need to do is at the top of the screen is define what kind of document type we're doing. Okay, so you've probably seen this before, and if you looked at some HTML, you've probably seen something like this before. And in order to get that, all you need to do is push Shift, and then you need to push these the comma and the period, and these are greater than and less than signs. So let's go ahead, and I'm going to put this this one right here, and I'm going to go exclamation type, and I'm going to hold the Shift key down, and I'm going to type in DOCTYPE. Okay, and you can see there's this DOCTYPE here, and then of course we are in HTML, and there we go. Now, as you can see, nothing else has happened, but this is a little bit of code that tells the rest of the document what kind of document type it is. There are several different kinds of document types, but we're just going to be working with HTML. So this needs to be at the top of every single HTML file. All right? I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.